Me know what you eat for your Sunday dinner. 6 dumpling and caterpillar. I said, rice and peas and janko liver. I don't know. When we that picnic we full, you see? Anyways, I have something for talk about. Because you not lie to me, no? No for you not lie to me. No for you come from town and you see a country. But I have a list of things where I want to ask you today. Tell me. Let's show my fat arm. Tell me, you see? I have a couple questions for ask you now. Because no for you say you come from country. But if you not grow up a country and you not do then something here, and a country they say not a town, a part of town you did live. You not lie to me. Drop in the comment section if you not ever do any of them something here in a country. If you not do none of them something here, and a country you not come from. So not lie to me. Number one, you not cook on wood fire, you not ever rub up dirt and put on a pot and cook on wood fire yet. That's number one. Drop it in the comment section if you not ever do any of them here. Number two, you not ever carry water upon your head yet from spring or river for drink. That's number two. Number three, you not ever dig a yam, a country or sweet potato. Yam, sweet potato, dashi in any one of them. You not ever do any of them something there. You not ever go use fork and dig dirt for plant yam or sweet potato, red peas and them something there. You not ever do none of them there. That's number four. Whether if you not reap it or not plant it. 3 and 4 that. The next one is how far you walk from to go a shop? Put in the comment section from which part you live. How far the shop was. Who this a call me? Oh God, no, not now. Please, please, please. Somebody a call me. Oh, it did still a run? You never know, say it's still a run. Alright. The next one is on a ever go a bush, go pick fruits for your grandparents go a market yet, or even you ever go a market, go sell fruits or food. If you ever do that, drop it in the comment section. Any one of them something you wanna do, drop it in the comment section. The next one, you ever go pick up common fall egg down a bush and either eat them off and nobody no know. You have common fall on the yard and it fall them ever lay and you eat off the egg them and nobody no know. Tell me. Drop it in the comment section. Alright, the next one is we talk about wood fire, right? Yeah, cook pot wood fire, yes. Me not write them down, you know, me should I write them down. Jesus, me have so much of them. Alright, you know ever go mango bush, go pick mango and carry bucket of mango pound no head yet? Okay, so that one here the big one. You know pat donkey. You know ever pat a donkey and ride the donkey yet? That one they big. You know tell me if you know ever do none of them something here. You see if you know ever get a cutlass and sharpen the cutlass and then chop bush, chop out the yard. Tell me if you not ever do any of them, yeah. The next one I want. Me I lose track, me can't even count them again, the amount of them. The next one I did want. I wish one again. Oh, you go again, Jesus. Me just remember it a while ago. It slipped me. Boy. Okay, so. Oh, you go again. Jesus, I forgot it. And it good enough, one good one, I remember it a while ago. And it gone out of my head a while ago. You know, me should I really write them down? But you see, let me tell you how I stay. You see, anytime my mind click on something and I want to lavish about it or chat up about it, the better me just grab the camera and talk about it right away. Because if me don't grab it, me I gonna forget. I need to write things down. But there is so much. Alright, remember it now. See, come back to me, huh? We no ever cut bush. What you call it? While up? While up? What the bush name again where we cut? We know so we use the coconut. Oh, remember this as we say coconut. The coconut broom and sweep up yard yet. We no ever go pick up the dry coconut broom and sweep up yard yet. And when the coconut dry on the tree, we no ever cut off the top and use it make brush and shine on the floor with a genie polish. Me say if you no do none of them something here, Uno is not a country girl. Uno not even go there with me. I not tell no lie. No drop it in the comment section. Don't tell no lie upon country girl. So Uno a country girl. Cause if you no know them roots here, Uno is not a country girl. You hear me tell you? I did them all. I pad the donkey, carry water, carry mango. I did. Uno see me right so? Me do the whole of them things. So if you no never do them something there, Uno is not a country girl. Not tell no lie upon country no. A Kingston, not Kingston. A town on a barn. A town on a grow. Uno know nothing about them something here. Because Uno can't live a country and don't know their life here. Wait. A country girl know them life there. Town girl don't know them life there. Alright. So it's not just Kingston a town. Because that is something where we want to clear up to now. It's not Kingston alone a town. You know, we as country people always say town, meaning Kingston. No, every parish down in Jamaica have a town. So una a town girl or whichever. Cause me name all of them something there. Me was like a town, but me know me do the whole of them something there now. I can't believe me do the whole of them things. Alright, let me ask you now a question. How far you ever go up in the kidney mango tree, or the number 11, or the stringy, or the fine skin, where you call blacky? How far up in them tree there you ever go for go get one mango? You ever climb none of them tree, the all coconut tree? You ever climb a coconut tree yet? Me climb a whole of them mango tree there. The whole of them. You ever pick a bag of orange put on the head yet and carry it from bush? Me do the whole of them things. Don't look at me. Janos that. Yo. Remember me tell you that if you no do none of them something here, you is not a country girl or a country boy. I mean, boy and girl do the same thing, the same kind of work. You go down on the knee with the genie polish, just polish the floor, make it dry, and then go down with the coconut brush and scrub that the floor there, and then have a nice, like a linen kind of cloth now where you put your foot on and you rub it and you rub the floor, and when you look the floor shine like a dollar. Remember me tell you, if you don't do none of them something there, you don't come from country. The next thing again, you did have road and light and water over which part you did there. If you did have all of them something there, you don't come from country. Alright, put aside the road light and water. because some people do all of them something there have road light and water. But me there and all of them something here I go back through my head as a little girl. All of them things here what me used to do. So yeah. You talk to me in the comment section. I don't them want to know come. You not tell me no lie. You not tell me no lie. You drop it in the comment section if you do any of them something there. If you go a river, go wash clothes. I can't even name the amount of them. You have to go watch back in video and write them down. Because I come back to with them something here. You go a river with the bat. Bat we use, bat. and beat the clothes pan the rock stone, or soap up the clothes, spin it round in at the top and lick it pan the rock so that it beat out the dirt? Uno not lie to me. Uno please, uno tell me. Tell me if I'm alone grow up in that bush. Tell me, because I want to know. And I'm alone because I want people grow up down there. So, but uno talk to me in the comment section. If you not do none of them something you wanna so no come from country. No sir. Uno no country people, not town people. A town uno grow in a town. Not Kingston, you know. Because every parish have a town. So uno a town people. Because in the town you have light, water, road, everything. But country a country and town a town. Okay? Bush people. Wanna drop it in the comment section if you do any of them something here. Wanna talk to me in the comment section. Me I wait for you because you not lie to me. Don't listen all of them down there and tell me about you not come from when you used to do them something there. Me serious, you not lie to me. Okay? Anyway guys, don't forget to like the video, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend about my YouTube. Enough love.